everyone, I'm Nimrod and you're watching Waterland Films. The Cebu City government has declared the Cebu City to be locked down effective March 28, 2020 until April 28, 2020. That means we are going to stay home for a month. We are not going to see the beauty of Cebu City for quite a long time. In this video, we are going to film some beautiful spots in Cebu City. We are here in Ayala Business Park. We are going to see some beautiful views and roads are crossing. See how traffic goes during enhanced community quarantine. Would like to invite everyone to stay home. We are going to be successful with this enhanced community quarantine to avoid the spread of coronavirus. So here we go. And we found a place that we can secure ourselves distance from other people and observe social distancing as advised by Department of Health to avoid the spread of the COVID-19. So here we're going to fly our drone and see some skyline in this business park. That was a nice footage out there. I really appreciate the sky since it is very clear because we have less car and less vehicle. We have less pollution and we can clearly see even the farthest building. The next stop is we're going to Fuente Circle and see some nice footage and relative roads along the area. Let's go! In General Maxilom Avenue, and let's take a video before we go to Fuente Circle. Just in front of this famous church, the Iglesia ni Cristo. Okay, that's the Iglesia ni Cristo Church, and we have the Rivergate Complex. So that was the short shootage here in front of the Iglesia ni Cristo at Maxilom Avenue. Before we continue to Fuente Circle, subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It will surely be appreciated and it will help me a lot for this channel. Let's go to Fuente Circle. We are finally here at Fuente Circle. I have to wear my mask to avoid accidental spread of the COVID-19. I'm still looking for a place where we can fly our drone here. We just met a interested guy who is into biking. That's all the videos here in Fuente Circle. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Right now we are going to Colon. Let's see what we can shoot there and let's go! We are filming here at Jones Avenue. Colon Street, we can see relatively less people here. They are preparing for the lockdown starting tomorrow, cleaning the streets. From here, we are going to Plaza Indenoendencia before the lockdown. We are here at Santo Niño Church. Masses are suspended. I just saw a motorcyclist being called by the officer because he's not wearing mask. If you're here in the city during lockdown, make sure to wear a mask. So we are going to see the Magellan's Cross. We still have people here, but minimal. The security guard, one selling a candle and offer you prayers. Let's proceed to Plaza Indenoendencia. We just passed by the Plaza Indenoendencia because I saw the CCLEX. It has lots of progress going on here. So take a look at this video. Okay, let's go back and check out some footage at Plaza Indenoendencia. Going to take some aerial footage here. My drone has some technical problems. I decided to take videos while biking. This is how it looks like here at Plaza Indenoendencia. And that's it for today's video. Stay home. We can succeed this enhanced community quarantine and we'll resume our regular days after April 28. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.